What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to go over the gains and then how we did it. Tesla stock, we made $1,956. That puts us up year to date almost over $61,000. So that was an excellent day. Just reviewing that. Take a look at Tesla stock. It has sold off for numerous reasons. Let's get right into it. It is still selling off, and we are about to make new lows. I'm assuming tomorrow we're going to be below this 275. All the way from 330 today down to 275, down over 15%. Tesla is selling off. So after that news of the EV cuts, Elon Musk and Donald Trump are going at it on it. Just look at some of the news that's popping out. Elon Musk just posted 2 hours ago, is it time to create a new political party in America that actually represents the 80% in the middle? Take a look at this one. It shows president versus Elon. Who wins? My money's on Elon. Trump should be impeached and JD Vance should replace him. Elon Musk has time to drop the really big bomb. Real Donald Trump is in the Epstein files. This is the real reason they have been made public. These accusations and this news is definitely not going to be good for Tesla stock. Tesla is going to be in trouble here going up against the president. Good news, bad news. This is not going to look good. Look at this right here. Elon Musk posting, in light of the president's statement about cancellation of my government contract, SpaceX will begin decommissioning its Dragon spacecraft immediately. And this was in regards to Donald Trump's tweet of the easiest way to save money in our budget, billions and billions of dollars, to terminate Elon's governmental subsidies and contracts. I was always surprised that Biden didn't do it. So there's just a ton of news out here, and this is going to feed Twitter, and this is showing a direct impact on the stock. Here's another one. President Trump on Elon Musk. Elon has never asked me for a thing. I mean, I got rid of the EV mandate, but he's never asked me for a thing. I think that's an amazing attribute. So hopefully we can start turning this around with some positive news. Hopefully they can talk and not just argue over Twitter, because for Tesla shareholders, let's get into the chart. Let's take a look. It's really sad to watch. This is just sold off so much, but there's just so much news popping out about them two arguing that definitely now people are just trying to, get clicks off of this. Let's take a look at the chart. Let's break it down. Let's see if we can actually make some money out of this, because that's all that matters when we're day trading. We got to try to find the levels where it is safe to make an entry here. All right, so looking at this chart. Now, this is not financial advice. You got to do your own research. I mean, this is super volatile. I mean, look at this rejection. Just in basically 5 days, 370 all the way down to 275. It's a 25% pullback. Man, you really got to go with a percentage allocation that you're willing to risk if you're going to try to trade Tesla. I mean, just giving you a reference, 5 days ago, we were trading up around $363. That is a monster pullback. Definitely be very cautious with this. I'm going to be watching tomorrow. Let's see if we get a little red. Maybe we'll get a little red. Hopefully we get 260 tomorrow, 255. That would be an interesting level to at least take a look and garner your attention on it. But obviously with Trump and Elon, this has to get sorted out. You'd want to see some positive news before you're entering this. But it does look like there is some potential consolidation here, but we'll see. It's consolidating at this part because there is support around 275, but it doesn't mean it's going to hold. I mean, if the bad news keeps coming, this might snap tomorrow. So very interesting to watch. Be cautious if you're going to be buying the dip on Tesla. Some view this as a buying opportunity. If good news does surface out, maybe we get that nice V-shaped recovery back to 330. If the news continues bad, then maybe we get this pushed down tomorrow down into the 250s. So let me know what you guys are doing. Are you buying Tesla stock? Are you just watching it? I have shares down in the 200 region, but it looks like my position went from 60% green to now it's going to be break even soon with the amount of money that just sold off within the last couple of days. For those of you new to the channel, definitely check it out. We have over 5,000 subscribers, 700 videos. We have some members on here. I just want to say thank you guys so much. If you're interested in that day trading P&L I have, I offer a lot with my playlist here. You can see my day trading P&L of 2025 where I'm up over $60,000. 2024, I made over $80,000. And I have also how to use the Robinhood platform, how to use Fidelity Active Trader Pro, which is right here. And my members only playlist for those that are paying the monthly membership to support the channel. I appreciate you guys. Definitely check it out with the membership tab. You get a lot offered. You can learn my day trading strategy with how to set smart alerts, mastering options with Fidelity Active Trader Pro. and the only supply and demand trading video you'll ever need for consistent profits. Definitely be sure to check these out. It's all for you. Check out the membership. Check out the links as well. Up in here, you can check out the WAP if you want to join the community of investors that we have here. So looking forward to it. Let me know what you're doing about this news. Are you buying Tesla? Are you selling it? Let me know.